Hi guys, I haven't really used Canvas to record videos before, and so I've never really figured it out, but I kind of figured it out how to do this at um, the U of U, and I thought I'd make a video to show you guys what I learned and how to go through the process of recording a video, which you can post in a discussion. So um, I've never been really sure how to do this, and there is a help button here at the bottom in Canvas, which you can go to and get on and call for support. And I got onto support, and they sent me a link to a guide, um, how to record media using the rich content editor as a student. And I went in to do this, and while I was watching this video and in this demonstration, you can see they have this content editor, and it said to click on this media button. And when I went to try and do a reply with the rich content editor, you'll see there's no media button present. And so um, I got back on support, and they did some extra checking, and it turns out that this feature is disabled at my school. Um, but we have something different, and it's this Kaltura Media. And I don't know if you need to go into this little app button and view all. I'm not sure if I did this some point in the past and put these icons up here, but apparently there's some apps that you can look at and then add to your bar. But in any event, at the U of U, this Embed Kaltura Media is the thing to use. So if you go to this, you're going to get a pop-up, and my system was blocking pop-up, so I had to go up here and click to allow a pop-up to come up, and hopefully this will work. And then you'll see you'll have this add new button here, and this allows you to webcam and screen capture. So I'm going to click on this button, and we'll see what comes up next. And then it gives you the option to open Kaltura Capture, which I'm going to click on. And now you can see that I did a test recording earlier, and I'm going to click on New Recording. So you'll see this little menu comes up, and you can click on the screen. And on this system, I have my laptop and two external monitors, and you can see that I can choose here. This one is on my third monitor, so let's try some other options here. Okay, that is probably my laptop screen. You'll see these labels are not very helpful, so you might need to skim through. That is my other monitor with some other screen recording software, which is going to let me show you how to record. Okay, so now I've got this set for the monitor that has this page showing. So you might need to try a couple things because these labels aren't very helpful. Audio. So I do have an external microphone, and there's the one on my laptop, and there's one on an external camera that I have, but here's my external microphone. So you might need to select that. And since I'm just showing the desktop, I'm not going to bother selecting a camera, but I assume there's a couple options here. Okay, an integrated webcam or my external camera. So couple options there. Whoops. Okay. And then to start the video recording, I think you hit this start recording button. So let's try that. Okay, you get a little countdown on Kaltura, and then hopefully it should start recording. And I don't know if my... Okay, so this failed to start recording, and it might be because I have a different recording software running to record this part. So I will go try and record a little sample video, and then I will come back to this other one and show you how I upload the video and things like that. So see you guys in a little bit. Okay, this is a demo recording using the Kaltura Capture Desktop Recorder, and I think I can close this window, and you'll see here I have a test discussion that I'm trying to post a video into. I'm recording this for an informatics class. This might be useful when we're doing something on the computer and you need to show the steps that you're taking. It'd probably be useful to be able to show your desktop. You know, maybe if I'm opening something like VS Code, and you know, if I'm coding something and run into a problem, then you know, we can run our test py script here, run without debugging, and you'll see my code ran. So that'd be an example where, you know, I need to do some programming task, and if I'm getting an error, I could record the desktop and post that and get some help or advice on how to do it differently. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the test recording and then continue with the next video. Okay, I'm back on again, and after I recorded with the Kaltura, which I captured that, I couldn't have this OBS Studio open while I was using the other software. I ran it and then I hit the stop button and it popped up and gave me this screen right here, and it gives you a default title, and I'm just going to call this Kaltura Test Recording for Discussions, and I'm going to give it a description. And I believe at this point that we could go save and upload. So let's just give it a try. Let's hit save and upload. Okay, so you'll see now you're going to get this screen, and it tells you here's the one we just recorded, and it's uploading the file. And we'll let that run for a minute. I'm going to pause this recording and then start it again. Okay, it looks like it got to 100%. Gives me the option to re-upload, and that should do the trick. So I'm going to go to, let's just close that window and go to Embed Kaltura Media, and let's see if I have. Okay, so here's my recording that I just made, and I want to embed this in my discussion. So let's try the button. Okay, so it looked like an embedded, and any text that I wanted to put, and then I can hit post reply, and hopefully it looks like that came up, and it should be able to be played. Okay, this is a demo recording using the Kaltura Capture Desktop recorder, and okay, so you can see this. There is a setting of using your webcam or your desktop, and it looks like I might have missed something. So I'm going to go back in, and let's see if I can fix this. I'll just do this here and see if I can edit something. Alright, so it looks like I can toggle the view so that it shows that a different way here in the editing. I'm sure there's a way. I think you can record without showing the desktop. Let's just open this up again and see if I can switch some kind of setting. So apologies, you guys. I am new to this Kaltura software. So if you have not used this before, it does come up here, and there you do need to download it and install it before it will run. But if it you have used it before, then it will. Once you've downloaded it, will pop up and open up and give you the option, do you want to open this up? So I'm going to say open this up again, and I'm going to stop this and try a new recording with some different settings. Well, let's see here. Okay, so screen, that's my screen, camera, I don't want the webcam. Audio is still set, and manage. Oh, okay. So it looks like you can select what you want to use by clicking on the icon. So in this case, I don't want my webcam to show, and that would turn off the audio. So you can choose if you want your screen and your webcam, or just your webcam, or just your screen. And in this case, I would just want the screen. I'm not going to record a new video, but it looks like that's where those settings would be. I'm going to close that. So I hope this is helpful to you guys and in the informatics class for posting a little video demonstration of what you are doing on your programming assignments. If you need some help and you're running into a problem or an error, recording your steps might give us a little more information to be able to answer and provide some suggestions. And if you have an assignment in another course, this might help you get set up to record it and post it. So have a good rest of your day, and we'll talk to you later.